What if the greatest miracle Jesus wants to do today is through you? In today's gospel, Jesus looks at the crowds and his heart is filled with compassion. He sees people who are tired, wounded, confused, and searching for hope, like sheep without a shepherd. Then Jesus does something unexpected. He calls ordinary people and sends them out to continue his mission. Not perfect people, not powerful people, ordinary people. That means you. That means me. Jesus sends us to bring healing where there is pain, hope where there is despair, and love where there is loneliness. A kind word can heal a wounded heart. A prayer can strengthen someone who is struggling. A simple act of love can bring a person closer to God. Today, remember this. Jesus sees your story. He knows your struggles and still calls you. You may not feel ready, but with God's grace, you can become a blessing to someone today. Amen.